Call a rake, a roof rake, or even what they call a solar panel cleaning rake. So this is going to get rid of the snow on top of your roof there if you got lots of snow. So we bought this from Amazon. We're going to take it apart and see what it's like there, see how far it extends. So we got it opened up here and see what kind of rake we have. Extender here. Rake. That's it. So this is what you get. You get the rake. So you thread that in. It's like a hard plastic here. It's like a foam on here. You thread the rod in here, and it's simply, this is a telescopic. We'll get the plastic off here, and it's gonna extend here. There's the end of the rake where it threads into the actual rake here. Pull the plastic off. This is going to extend. Pull the plastic off here. It's quite long here, so this will extend. These will go out, and I think you just turn it. Yeah, you turn it to tighten it, so it'll extend quite a bit. And same with the top one, I think. Yeah, that'll extend. So you extend this, and then you just turn this. So here's your end here. Keep extending it. It goes quite a distance. We'll measure it after. And then you just turn this to tighten that rake here. It's super light, it's aluminum. It looks like a good design. And then we're gonna thread this part into the rake itself. Just thread it in just like a broomstick. Thread it all the way down. There you go. Imagine this part, you can flip it around. So we're going to try it out. So this extends like 12 feet. A little over 12 feet. The snow rake is fully extended here to 12 feet. Trying to pull the snow off the roof. This is very heavy snow, very hard to pull off. I'm working from the edge of my driveway. The actual snowbank is close to 5 feet high here, so it's hard to get closer to the roof here without going deep into the snow. The snow rake is very lightweight, making it easier to access the roof. And the end of it doesn't bend. The very end of the rake doesn't bend, so that's another advantage of this particular snow rake. I'm holding the rake with one hand, and so it's very lightweight, and holding the camera with the other. So I'm trying to expose the vent here in the kitchen, clear the snow around the vent in the kitchen. And I got the actual rake on the side here, and it's actually doing a nice job here getting rid of the snow around the vent. I'm actually standing in a snowbank about 4 feet high in the front of the roof here. We've got a lot of snow this year. So I decided to keep this rake. I'm not sure how it compares to other rakes out there available on Amazon, but it's sufficient for today. It's a lot of heavy snow on the roof, so it's a challenge with any kind of rake to remove this snow. So let's speed things up here, show you the rest of the video. There's two parts of the pole. You can extend it anywhere from 5 feet to 12 feet, depending on your roof. So make sure that when you're extending it, you don't pull out too far because you'll pull the end off. And you can see this end, this is where you tighten it on the actual pole itself. Right here, that's what tightens it when you turn it to the right and tighten it in position. So make sure you don't pull it too far out or you'll pull it off. Turn to the right to tighten the pole, turn to the left to extend the pole. The store of this roof rake is about 55 inches, less than 5 feet. So please subscribe to my channel. This doesn't cost you a thing. It helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great one.